So, ito po ang ating ito ang pupuntahan natin. So, as you can see, so we are in this place. So, we are thinking about going and like that, and today we are going to that place where water is. That is really nice on that spot. And then maybe up to the hill. So we will see what if my feet and my husband's feet will mix it up. And see you then! Salamat po! Dahil mamaya! Tingnan natin ko ang mga picnic. Meron na pong tao dito. Mga bata. So kung gusto niyo mag-picnic, may mga mga grill na. So, isn't it maganda? Ganda naman po dito. Talaga, this is the nature that I love. So, hubby, are you ready for rock and roll?
Ready for your adventure.
Yes. So, we go. So, and the second stop is, now we are here. And then we are that one. So, we're going to that. So, we will follow the red sign. And as usual, my husband is already on the mission. So this is we called Merle Muse. That place that we are going to with little bit of water. And let's see. Hello, hubby. Oy, kaway. Darna. Always my husband is Darna. The Superman. So, malapit na po tayo sa ating Mele Musa. Tawag po dito. So, a little bit water. So, we will see and find some place to sit on and have picnic. Nag-picnic po tayo dito. Mag-picnic. Nandito kami nung hindi ko ma-remember, pero sa nung summer. Ngayon po, naman, starting sa spring, as you can see, the trees are not waking up yet. So, this is a scenery. So, it's still frozen, but it's not cold. It's +7+. Vi har inte borrat på andra sidan, eller hur? So we will biyik po din. So look. So yan, nag-ano po tayo through the woods. So it's not the spring yet. Dahil po it looks like still in the winter season, but it's okay. It's gonna be soon. So we are here, gandang hiking po. Look at this place. This is nice to sit. Kalampaan ito. So, yan. Everything here has like this sign. So you can scan it and then you will find it, what this is all about. Isn't it cool? Beautiful weather. Beautiful view, I mean. So, bunta tayo. We will try this one. If I still have the balance as a golden lady, we walk. we walk, we walk, we. Yeah! You still got it! Superman! Jug, 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 jug. Ito, ito po. Ito po, oh. Ito yung magandang decoration ito pag ano, lalo na Christmas. That one. Really cute. Pero hindi naman Christmas ngayon. So, you can use that for everything. Doon, until doon. So, ganyan, mas ganda. So, this is the place, the Muse. Tawag po dito. So, as you can see, I think I've been here before sa, nung summer po. Maganda ang panahon. Pero, kasi I'm here now.
Again.
And, the spring, and nice sky. Don't you think so? So, yes. Let's try if I can go at least halfway. This is risky, but you know, I am Filipino. Oy, it's stuck. Oh. So, if I fall in the sunshine, oh, that is really deep. Woohoo! Oh my! Yes! Yes! So this one I will make this to go home. And this one is really yes, I make oh whoa whoa don't shake it. Oh my god. Dali dali. Oy. Oh my. Asawon. I can't to go back. Maybe. Yes, of course, I can do it. This is the golden lady is all about. And trying to be. We say 1, 2, 3. And my balance is still on. Like this. Without this. La 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 la. Really happy I am. So, yan po, it's really nice cigar. We call that cigar plant. Everything in, all the way. Really maganda. Parang yung cigar po dito, tawag cigar. So, it looks like cigar. Yes. So, we continue hike. Look at the beauty of this dead tree. Isn't it cool? So mushroom, dead mushroom, really nice. Mas ganda itong dalhin sa bahay. Ay, pero maganda. Let's enjoy the sound of the stream. This is the start point. We walk, hike, and then until that Muse. And then now we are here right now in this place called Molly. So we are going maybe somewhere in this, and we will find something to eat for lunch. This is the place. Look at this place. Really cool. Really nice place. I love this place. So, you see, I found many like this. And I'm wondering what is this. My husband is, Google it. And this is the N6 Hotel. The N6 Hotel. Oh, really cool, isn't it? and they are showing to all the people who is interested in the birds. So that's cool. That's cool, isn't it? So we are in halfway to the place where can we have lunch, and this is the view. You can see much, but I'm still looking for the spring flower, but here in the woods it's not showing yet, but I saw already in the other place where the spring flowers are already blooms. So here is wala, no spring flower yet. So but anyway, here we are, and this is the place tayong mag-picnic. Perfect place to see. It's a little bit daisy, foggy, but this is the place. And here we can sit here. Is it not? Oh, there is more place to sit on. So, come on, come on, Shada. It's a little set in the sunshine. The view is here. It's not, the sun is, showing. Wow, okay, let's go. Oh, this is the place. There is something here in this information. The Italian road. They said this the road o sa Italian road ang tawag dito. The way going up, it they call. Habi, what we are going to eat?
Salad.
Salad. I'm going to have Caesar salad, and my hubby is ham and cheese salad, and we have the tea, of course. So let's enjoy the Christmas. No Christmas. So this is salad. Bon appetit tayo dyan. So guys, bon appetit. Happy, maglalunch na po tayo. And thank you for watching and see you in my next video vlog. Bula! Yeah, ibon.